Hey guys, today I want to show us how to convert fresh tomatoes into paste. And for that, of course, we will be needing fresh tomatoes, red bell pepper, and onions. So the red bell pepper actually helps to improve the color of our pastes. Yes, it helps to make it more red. So you want to add that to your tomatoes so it comes out red, and when you use it you would love it. So right away I will just wash out my tomato, onions and pepper from the water before blending. So after washing our tomatoes, we'll put it into the blender, and you want to cut your tomatoes before adding them. So you just cut in some tomatoes into our blender. So now you've added just enough quantity for the blender. You add your onions and bell pepper. So there it is. Just add a little water before blending. So just on your blender, done. So we are going to pour this into a cheesecloth to drain some water. After pouring it into a cheesecloth, just tie it. Tie it and keep it to drain water. As you can see, the water is already draining off. Bring a sieve, then place it inside. So just put it in a sieve to keep draining water until the water is completely drained before you can bring it out from your cheesecloth. So now we are going to untie our cheesecloth. And there you have your paste. So you just want to store this in an airtight container so it will last for a very long time. So there you have your paste, perfectly. So just put that in the refrigerator and you can use it